Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, this is your teacher Sadia Hussain. This is the first video in which I will introduce you with technical and report writing skills. The presentation consists of two parts. In the first part, I will clarify what is academic communication and writing, and in the second video, we will move on to the second mode of communication, that is electronic communication. So this is the first week of your course and it carries the title EG 304 and the main topic is technical and report writing. First of all, we will discuss what are the characteristics of different modes of communication. It can be divided into four parts. Number 1, academic communication writing skills. Number 2, electronic communication. Number 3, public communication. And number 4, workplace communication. Now the question arises, what is academic writing? I will introduce you with academic writing, what is academic vocabulary, what is the difference between academic writing and other writing contexts, and what are the main or key features of academic writing. Introduction to academic writing. Academic writing is the type of writing students are expected to produce in response to content they learn about in an academic setting, that is school, college, etc. Now, what is the academic vocabulary you are going to use when you are assigned the task of writing academic writing? Academic vocabulary are the words that are traditionally used in academic writing. In the first slide we will discuss what is the difference between academic writing and other writing contexts. Academic writing varies from other contexts because it carries certain characteristics. For example, complexity, formality, precision, accuracy, objectivity, responsibility, and explicitness. Complexity means that it is not as simple as students consider. It has certain rules to follow, it has certain parameters to follow. Secondly, it is very formal. You are not going to use any informal vocabulary or phrases in that writing. Precision is the feature that deals with to the point. You are not allowed to digress or lengthen the statement. You have to be very precise, clear what you are going to say. Accuracy. Accuracy again is relevant to precision, that accurate and exact information, accurate and exact phrases are going to be introduced in academic writing. Objectivity is that you are not going to put your personal liking, disliking or comments in that writing. The most of all, responsibility. Be a responsible student. Explicitness is clarity. When it is precise and accurate, definitely it is going to be explicit. Features of academic writing. Again, the same thing I already explained. Complexity is the language is relatively more complex and has longer words with a more varied vocabulary and grammatically complex. Formality. Academic writing is relatively formal. I have already explained that it does not include colloquial expression. Colloquial expression is conversational style that we consider natural in daily dialogue we have with a friend or a colleague. Precision. Academic writing is precise, factual information. Figures, charts should be provided and nothing written there should leave room to interpretation, and it should be clear. Accuracy. An accurate use of vocabulary is the must in a text that wants to be academic. Extra attention should be paid when using words with a specific meaning. It means any controversial expression must be avoided when you are uh, indulged in the task of academic writing. Objectivity. Written language is in general objective rather than personal. It has few words that refer to the writer or the reader. The main emphasis should be on the information that you want to give and the arguments you want to make, rather than the writer getting involved in the personal manner. No personal opinions are allowed in academic writing. Responsibility. Academic writing should be treated with responsibility. Everything stated should be accompanied by proofs and justifications, and no assumptions are allowed. Source should be mentioned. Explicitness. The author of an academic writing is responsible for make it explicit and for making it clear how different parts of the text are connected between them and why are they relevant for the central theme. There are certain words that can be used in order to emphasize this connection and they are called transitional words. So, this is all for academic writing. After getting clarified in different types of writings, we will move on how to write a report, how to write a paragraph, how to write any other assigned topic. We will move on it one by one through slides. Thank you very much.